When it comes to finding reliable plumbing contractors near me in Marathahalli, Bangalore, Scon Design India Private Ltd is a name that stands out. With their expertise in both plumbing services and interior design, Scon Design offers a comprehensive solution for all your plumbing needs. Whether you require installation, repair, or maintenance services, their team of skilled professionals is equipped to handle projects of any size or complexity. One of the key factors that sets Scon Design apart from other plumbing contractors in Marathahalli is their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. They understand the importance of providing efficient and effective plumbing solutions to ensure that your home or office functions smoothly. With their attention to detail and precision, they strive to exceed customer expectations in every project they undertake. Scon Design India Private Ltd not only offers top-notch plumbing services, but also specializes in interior design. This unique combination allows them to provide a holistic approach to your plumbing needs, ensuring that not only are the technical aspects taken care of but also the aesthetic appeal of your space. Their team of experienced interior designers can seamlessly integrate plumbing fixtures into your overall design, creating a cohesive and visually pleasing environment. When searching for plumbing contractors near me in Marathahalli, it is crucial to choose a company that is reliable and trustworthy. Scon Design India Private Ltd has built a reputation for their professionalism and integrity in the industry. They have a proven track record of delivering high-quality plumbing services on time and within budget. Their team of skilled technicians undergoes regular training to stay updated with the latest industry trends and techniques, ensuring that they can provide the best solutions for their clients. When it comes to bathroom plumbing design in Marathahalli, Bangalore, Scon Design India Private Ltd is a leading company that specializes in providing innovative and efficient solutions. With their expertise in plumbing design, they offer a range of services to ensure that your bathroom is functional, aesthetically pleasing, and meets all your requirements. Scon Design India Private Ltd understands the importance of a well-designed bathroom plumbing system. They have a team of experienced professionals who are well-versed in the latest trends and technologies in plumbing design. They work closely with clients to understand their specific needs and preferences, and then create customized designs that optimize space utilization and enhance overall functionality. One of the key aspects of bathroom plumbing design is the layout and placement of fixtures such as sinks, toilets, showers, and bathtubs. Scon Design India Private Ltd pays special attention to these details, ensuring that the fixtures are strategically positioned to maximize convenience and comfort. They also take into consideration factors such as water flow, drainage systems, and ventilation to ensure